Hey, Mr. Nelson, look, we got a box.
Ooh, I'm excited. Ooh, lab aids. That must mean it's going to be some really fun stuff for science.
I'm excited to see what's in the box. Let's open it up.
All right.
You have something to open it with?
Yeah.
Hey, while you're doing that, have you ever watched the YouTube sensations of unboxing videos?
Oh yeah, some of those are pretty cool.
I think that could be a kind of a fun thing to do with our class.
Oh, I think we should definitely do that.
Let's try it out.
All right, let's do it.
I would challenge you to find your own box. It can be something like this, or you can watch any of the unboxing videos and kind of use those as a guide. You can make it about science and what really interests you in science or nature or the world around you. If you're struggling with that, you could just make it personal to you. Like, what's something you're super interested in or you want us to know about you to help us remember you and build those connections with you? Put those things in your box, create a video, and share with us why those items are inside that box.